What's the meaning of agaric? Agaric. 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 Agaric refers to a type of mushroom with a cap that is typically white and rounded, and gills located underneath. These mushrooms are commonly found in forests and can be cultivated for culinary or medicinal purposes. However, some species of agaric mushrooms are poisonous and can cause serious harm if ingested. So, it is important to properly identify and prepare agaric before consuming. In summary, agaric is a type of mushroom that can be either beneficial or harmful depending on the specific species and how it is prepared.